Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the Audi A4 now. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and put chocks behind the wheels opposite the corner you'll lift. Once done, loosen the wheel lug nuts one turn with the wrench while the car is on the ground so the wheel can't spin. This is faster and safer. Next, find the factory jacking point along the pinch weld or the reinforced rear subframe. Position the jack saddle directly under that spot to protect the body and the rocker. You now raise the car with control. Crank the jack slowly until the saddle seats solidly against the jacking point. If you feel rocking, stop and reposition. Make sure the vehicle lifts evenly. Lift only until the tire just clears the ground by 1 to 2 inches. Higher is unnecessary and less stable. Once at height, slide a rated jack stand under the manufacturer's recommended support point, then lower the jack slightly so the stand takes the load. Make sure the car sits level and stable. You finish by reversing the lift procedure carefully. Raise the jack just enough to remove the stand, then lower the vehicle slowly until the tire contacts the ground. Tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern while the car sits on the ground so the wheel seats properly, and then torque to the Audi specification. If you notice any wobble, creak, or the car seems unsteady, do not drive. Recheck that the jack point and stand are correctly placed, the jack saddle didn't slip, and lug nuts are properly tightened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.